Okay, guys, today, we transformed equations by addition and subtraction. We transformed equations by multiplication and division. Now we're going to put all that stuff together. And remember, something that I've always said is that we get rid of the things that are farthest from the variable. I kind of use that as my rule. I mean, that's not a real mathematical thing, but it's a good idea when I'm looking at an equation. I'm getting rid of the number that's farthest from the variable. I'm basically unpeeling the equation so that I've got just the variable by itself. And since I'm undoing it, I actually use the opposite of PEMDAS. I subtract and add stuff first. Then I multiply and divide to get the variable by itself. But my basic rule, just that I keep in my head, is that I get rid of the thing farthest from the variable. Okay? Now, there we go. Look at that. I even put it in the notes. Get rid of the numbers that are farthest from the variable. Alright, so first I've got 5n minus 9 is equal to 71. Alexander, what's the first thing I want to do? I want to add 9 to both sides. That's the farthest thing from the n. Okay, the 5's right next to it. Okay, so these two things are just going to cancel out, and I'm left with 5n is equal to 80. Okay, now Ben, what's the next thing that I want to do? I don't want to multiply by 5, because if I do that, that's going to give me 25. Right, I want to divide. I want to undo it, right? So divide both sides by 5. The 5's cancel, and I get, okay, don't know why that happened. Okay, the 5's cancel, I'm left with n. On this right side, what do I get? 16. N equals 16. Now, if I want to, and very often I do, I want to check to see if I got this right. So I'm going to rewrite the equation 5, but I'm going to put parentheses for where my variable should go. Minus 9 equals 71. And I'm going to take the value of the variable and plug it in and see if I get the right answer. 5 times 16 is 80. Minus 9 equals 71. 80 minus 9 is 71 equals 71. And that thing's right. Okay? Alright, good job. Get rid of the thing that's farthest from the variable. We're peeling away to get down to just the variable, and we do that by getting stuff on the outside, the farthest from the variable first. Okay? Good job, guys.